Nike SB is bringing a fresh twist to a classic with the Nike SB Air Max 95 Cacao Wow, scheduled to release in spring 2026. This pair takes inspiration from Sergio Lozano's iconic Air Max 95 runner and reworks it for skateboarding performance and everyday wear. The shoe features a clean white mesh base paired with layered suede panels that fade from pearl gray to deep anthracite, giving it a smooth and earthy look. A charcoal hairy suede toe cap adds durability, while cacao brown details on the lace loops, tongue badge, and mini swoosh bring warmth to the design. Reflective elements along the side enhance visibility, and the black midsole houses rose-tinted visible air units for comfort. Underfoot, a two-tone outsole with gum pods and woodgrain detailing completes the setup. The Nike SB Air Max 95 Cacao Wow will retail for $185 and release on January 17, 2026, making it a must-watch drop for sneaker and skate fans alike.